Yo, what is up? It's your boy, your dad bad coach JB, and this is my first ever vlog. Alright, let's go!
Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga workout routine ko. Gagawin natin ngayon is push day, okay? Which is chest, shoulder, and triceps. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga ginagawa kong stretching dahil essential yan, okay? So check this out. Okay, so yung warm-up na to, gagawin natin pa dito sa cable, okay? So maraming gumagawa nito sa dumbbell. So gagawin natin dito sa cable para hindi siya high risk sa injury at syempre para mas stable, okay? So activation to ng rotator cuff, okay?
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in.
Kailangan lagi lang siyang kinokontrolin nyo. Huwag nyo siyang, huwag kayong gagamit ng masyadong momentum. Okay, so example, ganito. Yan. Always stay in control, okay? Kailangan maintain lang yung angle natin. Yan, nakaparallel lang siya. Huwag nyo siya masyadong i-hyperextend katulad dito. Yan. Or kaya kailangan i-drop natin ng mabilis yung example dito. Yan, okay? Tsaka huwag natin i-jerk. Ganyan, okay? Okay guys, so muna natin gagawin is warm-up set dito sa bench press. Okay, so kailangan una natin laging ginagawa is warm-up set bago tayo sa initial set kasi magkaiba yun. So ginagawa natin yung warm-up set para mas mag-flow ng maganda yung blood natin at para ma-maximize natin yung workout performance natin at para hindi high risk sa injury. Okay, so let's G. Kailangan maintain lang yung direction tapos pagbaba natin is nipple line siya, okay? Tapos yung angle ng arms natin dapat is 45 degree lang, okay? Huwag masyadong wide or yung 90 degree kasi high risk siya sa injury, lalo na sa shoulders natin, okay? Okay, so ganito yung proper execution. Inhale down, exhale up. Tapos huwag natin siya masyadong i-hyperextend sa taas. Pag dinrap natin siya, slowly tas straight, pero hindi siya too much extended. Katulad ng ganito, okay? Tapos yung form ng elbow, ganyan. 45 degree lang tayo guys, okay? Gawin natin ito ng 2 sets of 20 reps.
Hello, lightweight.
Okay, so kailangan natin gumamit dito ng wrist strap. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ilagay ito ng tama kasi karamihan sa mga nakikita ko accessory lang siya. Okay, so may tamang pagsuot nito. Okay, so purpose ito is para ma-mobilize natin yung wrist natin. Ito siya. Yan, okay. Nagamit lang to pag heavy sets na para iwas tayo sa injury. Saka syempre para hindi masyadong mag-extend yung wrist natin lalo na pag heavy, okay? Okay, so next exercise natin is incline dumbbell press. Okay, let's go. gagamit ulit tayo nito dahil subukan natin buhatin yung heaviest weight dito sa dumbbell. Okay, subukan natin. Tignan natin kung makakaya tayo. Lightweight, baby.
Lightweight, coach.
Yep.
Lightweight. Up, 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 up.
5 reps lang. Bigat. Pero kahit di natin na-reach yung pinaka-target reps natin dito sa last set, gagawin natin, drop set natin siya. Pero 50% of weight. Ito ginagawa ko, pag hindi ko na-reach yung pinaka-target repetitions ko sa heavy, dinadrop ko siya. Bigat. Mamaya, tanggal tayo ng pump cover.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching.
Okay, so next natin is cable chest flies. Okay, so ang variations natin dito is high cable. Okay, so ang hinihit natin dito is pinaka lower part ng chest natin. Okay, so ganito yung mga execution. Control mo lang. Tapos pag push, squeeze across, squeeze. Tapos kung siya i-jerk, stay in control. May muscle connection lang palagi. Okay. So last workout natin sa chest is decline chest press. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-proper execution. Okay, so pag ganito siya, starting position. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, nakaganto na yung pinaka-handling bar niya, naka 45-degree angle. Okay, so kailangan yung motion ng pinaka-arms natin, ganito lang din. Same lang siya. Okay, so ganito siya. Yan, okay, tapos yung pinaka-back natin, naka-lean siya, pero yung pinaka-lower, naka-high arch. Okay, so ganito siya. Yan, okay. So ganito siya, guys. Kailangan 45-degree angle lang din. Pag push mo, squeeze ka sa top. Okay, so balance lang. Control, down, squeeze. Okay. Kaya kailangan masyadong mag-flare out yung elbow. Kasi pag nag-flare out yung elbow, masyadong high risk na siya sa shoulder injury. Okay? Maintain lang 45-degree angle.
This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let
a festering negativity. It's a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy.
Okay, so after natin gumamit sa isang equipment or machine, o kahit dumbbell, kailangan lagi natin siya i-re-rack. Okay, so kahit anong antas natin sa pamumuhay, no rich or poor, no religions, no politics, we are all the same under the bar. Okay, so ito kasi yung pagre-rack ng gamit, ito yung tanda na respetado ka. Okay, so example, sa totoong buhay, ikaw ba kapag gumamit ka ng CR, hayaan mong hindi buhusan? Siyempre, di ba mahihiya ka, meron kang kasunod. Eh what if kung ikaw yung kasunod, natutuwa ka ba? Siyempre hindi. Okay, so ito, sinasabi ko is gym etiquette 101, okay? Kailangan, lagi mo i-rack yung weights, okay? Always rack your weights. Natin is lateral raise. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung pinakatamang proper execution. Okay, so kuha tayo ng moderate weight. Okay, so gagawin natin, starting position ito dito. Kasi ito nakikita ko dito. Dito dapat, or dito. Pero kasi ito ginagawa ko. May ganito siya guys. Kailangan yung pinaka-elbow nyo, hindi siya straight na ganito. Form na siya agad ng ganitong angle. Okay, so dapat lagi mauna yung elbow. Hindi yung lapel. Yung iba kasi ginagawa ganito. Ganyan, okay, mali yun. Dapat laging elbows up. Okay, level yung elbow sa shoulder. Okay, so ganito siya. Tapos pagbaba, hindi mo siya ididikit dito o kukuha ka ng momentum. Di ba kasi ginagawa nagpa-bounce? Pag ganyan, didikit dito, babagsak. Ganyan. Okay? Masyadong gumagamit ng momentum. Okay? So, control mo lang palagi yung weight. So, ito guys. Okay, so last workout natin is tricep push down. Okay, so ganito siya. Karamihan nakikita ko yung form is masyadong upright. Yan. Maganda siya. Ginagawa nila maganda. Yung iba naman ginagawa, tama naman yung form. Pero yung pag-execute nila, masyado nilang pinupush papunta sa kanila. Yan. Okay, so maganda. Pwede mo siya, itong elbow, nakatak sa side. Okay? Just forward. Okay? Ganyan. Parallel form lang. May control, pagbalik. Push, baba, squeeze. Okay? Hindi mo lang siya basta pinapress o pinupush mo baba. Pag push mo, medyo iti-push mo konti yung wrist mo. Pag ganito. Yan, okay, ganyan. Hindi ba ginagawa ganito lang? Okay. Ganito yung pinaka-proper. Push, this one. Okay, so kasama natin ngayon si Coach Marvin, one of the top trainer here at Anytime Fitness Fisherman Malabon. Okay, Coach, marala ka, Coach.
Ako pala si Marvin Membas, trainer sa Anytime Fitness Fisherman Malabon.
Okay, so si Coach isa sa mga kaibigan natin to. And soon, one of the athlete to sa physics. Okay? And meron tayong konting katanungan kay Coach. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, maraming gustong mag-gym. Pero kulang sila sa confident o mga nahihiya sila. Kasi baka ma-judge sila agad-agaran ng dahil average lang sila or skinny, obese. Okay, so Coach, anong masasabi mo sa mga ganong mga tao na gustong mag-gym pero kulang sa confident?
Okay, first of all, kailangan break niyo yung wall nyo. Kailangan punta kayo sa malapit na gym sa lugar nyo or may alam kayo mga gym na gusto nyo po like Anytime Fitness and Gold Gym or Fitness First. Pwede kayo mag-enroll sa kanila. At the same time, gawa kayo ng fitness goal. So meron tayo 4 na klase ng goal eh. Shape, strength, sports conditioning, tsaka health. Tsaka gawa kayo ng goal nyo, smart goal. Kailangan ng goal nyo is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based para ma-achieve nyo yung goal nyo. Tsaka, tip ko lang din is the best ever investment to your life is invest in your health. Yan yung kailangan natin para sa health, pag nag-invest kayo sa health nyo, wala kayong tala dito. Marami pang makakapag-inspire pa kayo ng tao at marami kayo maging kaibigan, marami kayong i-inspire na magtulungan ng motivate. Okay, thank you.
Okay, yung sinabi niya na invest yourself, itatak nyo sa isip niyo yan. Kailangan, yun nga, invest yourself. Because no one will do it for you. Okay, so di ba kung tama naman na pag gusto mo, paraan. O, tsaka kailangan bigyan mo ng dedikasyon yung ginagawa mo. Kailangan mahalin mo at magtiwala ka sa proseso. Okay? Okay, so Coach, thank you, Coach. Okay, so dito nagtatapos yung first vlog natin. I hope you enjoyed to watch my video and learn something. Okay, and also follow me on my TikTok account, JB Mariano, and FB page, Coach JB. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright?